Animals are the most fascinating creatures in the world. Millions are found every year. Mammals are situated all around the globe, on land, under the sea, or perhaps the sky. Each animal has their own set of unique characteristics. Animals existed before humans were alive, appearing around 600 million years ago. They rely on other animals and natural food supply for their own nutrition and well-being. They have also diversified into millions of different species. I had recently traveled to Borneo in Malaysia, which contains some of the world's rainforest, where I discovered an intriguing yet an endangered species, the legendary orangutan. The orangutans are facing extinction because of being illegally used as pets, being used for bushmeat, etc. Palm oil plantation caused these unfortunate animals to be threatened for extinction, and within 10 to 15 years they may no longer exist. Rainforests produce 20% of the world's oxygen and provide this gas for us to breathe. We are home to 50% of the world's species, and without the rainforest, we are at risk of danger. Rainforests are tremendously rich in animal life. Rainforests are populated with insects, arachnids, worms, reptiles, amphibians, birds, and mammals. Different animals live in different strata of the rainforest. Many species of rainforest animals are endangered, and many others have gone extinct as the number of acres of rainforest on Earth decreases. This is The Next David Attenborough, Orangutans and Me. Orangutans are similar to humans as they share many characteristics. According to the theory of evolution written by Charles Darwin, Darwin creates the argument that orangutans and monkeys have diversified into humans. Please note that orangutans and monkeys are not the same. Orangutans are completely different and are a critically endangered species. I find it vital to explain the various senses an orangutan has. Number 1. The sense of smell is unique, as the rainforests contain all sorts of wonderful and weird smell. You can smell the divine vanilla, coffee, cinnamon, and ginger, all products that are in common use. Number 2. The orangutan is an omnivore. However, its diet mainly consists of fruit. According to estimates, around 90% of their diet is fruit. The orangutan's favorite is the durian fruit. They also eat honey, nectar, insects, and leaves. Number 3. Orangutans have forward-facing eyes that allow them to judge distances between branches accurately. The eyes are dark in color, so the bright forest does not affect them. Number 4. Similar to humans, orangutans have 4 fingers and a thumb on each hand. An orangutan's hands are similar shapes to their feet, which means they can grasp branches with all 4 limbs. We'll now be able to see video footage filmed in Blackpool Zoo. Pizzas, cheese, chocolates, all items in our fridge contain palm oil, a common vegetable oil used in everyday products such as washing products, detergents, etc. You eat these products in your everyday lives in your meals. An example is Nutella used on bread. Palm oil is successful in selling, however it does not cover the expenses of the rainforest that is being burnt using slash and burn techniques. Large areas the size of football pitches are being deforested. Only small patches of rainforest are left. The rainforest contains so much biodiversity and home to half the world's animals and plant species. However, these are burnt, deforested, killing all the animals and plants that may provide medicines. There is only one animal, the orangutan, that may survive. The parent may be killed viciously and the child may be imprisoned, traded to illegal companies for persecution, hidden away in torture. When the authorities discover these mistreated orangutans, they discover simultaneously that the orangutans are severely injured. They are kept in sanctuaries that keep them safe. An example of a sanctuary is Blackpool Zoo. They are transported overseas to companies that may take care of them. They are loved, taken care of, given a nice home. The criminals are given justice where they belong, behind bars. And the orangutan is safe to live. So remember, when you go to the supermarket, look at the labels. Does it contain palm oil? And if it's palm oil free, then you're saving the orangutan. Remember to save the orangutan, the most important species.